आपने जो भी 3 मंथ्स में सीखा, ठीक है, क्या सीखा नहीं सीखा, ठीक है, वो आपका एक बेसिक नॉलेज था। लेकिन प्रेजेंटेशन का जो मेन मोड था कि उसमें आपका सीखने के साथ साथ कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल कितना है, क्योंकि प्रेजेंटेशन एक ऐसा तरीका होता है जहाँ पे आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल टेस्टिंग होता है। आपने जो भी 3 मंथ्स में सीखा नहीं सीखा, क्लासेज का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, क्लासेज का बिहेवियर, ठीक है, जो भी टीम मेंबर है उनका टीचिंग वे जो भी है, आप जाना है अपनी साइट पे और वहाँ पे अपनी फीडबैक शेयर करना है। उससे क्या होता है कि जब भी आज की डेट में क्या होता है, जिसको भी स्टूडेंट्स को कोर्सेज करने होते हैं, ठीक है, तो ऑनलाइन रिसर्च करते हैं कि हमारे आसपास कौन सी है। तो आप जब तक फीडबैक नहीं दोगे किसी के बारे में, ठीक है, तो आपके जो नोन में है या जो भी फ्रेंड्स हैं, फैमिलीज है या फिर जो अदर स्टूडेंट्स हैं, उनको पता ही नहीं चलता है कौन सी स्टूडेंट्स उनके लिए बेस्ट है। तो आपके, ठीक है, रिव्यू के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। तो आपको सिंपली आपको गूगल पर, ठीक है, जाना है और आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो रिव्यू, ठीक है, रिव्यू सेक्शन है जो कि बहुत स्टूडेंट्स ने यहाँ पर रिव्यू डाल रखे हैं, ठीक है। आपको लास्ट में इसलिए बताया जा रहा है कि आप ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब फर्स्ट में अगर मैं बोलता हूँ रिव्यू देने के लिए, तो फिर ये होता है कि आप रिव्यू एक स्टूडेंट के ऊपर ये होता है कि प्रेशर होता है कि नहीं हमें स्टूडेंट जो भी रिव्यू डालना है पॉजिटिव डालना है, तो फिर क्लास में जाएंगे तो हमें सर क्या बोलेंगे। यहाँ पे इसीलिए आपको लास्ट में बताया जाता है कि आपके ऊपर जो भी है जैसा भी लगा आप अपना जरूर यहाँ पे शेयर करें, ठीक है, ताकि जो भी कमी है इंस्टीट्यूशन की या जो भी टीचिंग में या जो भी है और भी सर्विस को अच्छा किया जा सके, ठीक है। तो आप सब लोग प्लीज़ गूगल पे जरूर रिव्यू करेंगे, ठीक है। रिव्यू करने से ही आपकी जो नेक्स्ट जो स्टूडेंट्स आएंगे, ठीक है, उन्हें पता चलता है कि कौन सी स्टूडेंट करनी चाहिए, क्या पढ़ना चाहिए, क्या नहीं चाहिए। तो ये आपका जरूर है कि आप इसे करना है। इसके अलावा आप, ठीक है, जो भी हम ऐप है, फेसबुक है या यूट्यूब से फॉलो कर सकते हैं, ताकि आप आने वाले जो भी क्लासेज है उसकी नोटिफिकेशन अगर आप चाहते हैं वो आपके विश के ऊपर है, लेकिन यहाँ पे जो है रिव्यू डालना आपका मस्ट है, ठीक है। रिव्यू कैसे डालना पता चलिए क्या होगा, ठीक है, आप रिव्यू डाल सकते हैं गूगल पे, ठीक है। एक इम्पॉर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट है जो कि मैं आपको बता दूँ कि इस दिवाली का ऑफर, ठीक है, जो भी हाउस वाइफ है, ठीक है, दिव्यांग है, ठीक है, और जो इंडियन आर्मी फैमिलीज के लिए उनके लिए हमारे तरफ से बिल्कुल फ्री कोर्सेज कराए जाएंगे, ठीक है। कोई भी हाउस वाइफ है, ठीक है, दिव्यांग है और इंडियन आर्मी फैमिलीज के लिए बिल्कुल फ्री में क्लासेज, ठीक है, फंडामेंटल जो ट्रेनिंग है बिल्कुल फ्री है। इसके अलावा अदर कोर्सेज पे उनके लिए 50% डिस्काउंट है। तो आपके लोगों में कोई भी हो जो करना चाहता है बिल्कुल फ्री में, कोई चार्ज नहीं होगा, ठीक है। कौन कौन हाउस वाइफ, दिव्यांग और इंडियन आर्मी फैमिलीज के लिए बिल्कुल फ्री है, ठीक है, कोई भी कर सकता है, ठीक है। और ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन दोनों क्लासेस। इसके अलावा जो स्टूडेंट्स अगर और नेक्स्ट कोर्स करना चाहते हैं उनके लिए भी किसी भी कोर्स में 50% तक की डिस्काउंट है।
Hello friends and good afternoon my respected teachers. My name is Amisha and I am going to be introducing my topic. My topic name is COVID-19 Safety Rules. About COVID-19. COVID-19 comes in India in 13 March 2020. First death due to coronavirus in India was reported in Karnataka on 12th March. A total 52 deaths has been reported in country. What is COVID-19? COVID-19 is a respiratory illness caused by a type of virus called coronavirus. This is a novel coronavirus was first discovered in China. On January 31, 2020, Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Mr. Azar second declared a public health emergency for the United States. Next topic. Symptoms of COVID-19. Fever, cough, shortness of breath and difficulty in breathing, chills, muscle pain, headache, sore throat, new loss of taste or smell, congestion or runny nose, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea. When do symptoms of COVID-19 appear? Symptoms may appear in 2 to 14 days after exposure. If you think you have been exposed or develop a fever or another symptoms, call a healthcare professional immediately. Stop the spread of COVID-19. Stay home as advised. Wear a mask if you go out. Practice social distancing and stay at least 6 feet apart. If you need medical care, be sure to call us first. Practice good personal health habits. Hashtag wash your hands. Avoid touching your faces, eyes, nose and mouth. Cover your coughs and sneezes. Clean frequently, touches surfaces and objects daily. Coronavirus. Protect yourself from coronavirus. WHO, World Health Organization, advised to follow some healthy rules to spread the virus. Wash your hands frequently, avoid social gathering, clean your areas where you stay and work. We all of us are must follow to healthy instruction advised by World Health Organization because the virus is the most dangerous and yet not discovered medicine to recover from this illness. How COVID-19 is dangerous. In month March, total cases are 26. In month May, total cases are 3,875. In month of July, total cases are 15,665. In month of August, total cases are 70,000. In month of September, total cases are 1.6 million. And in month of October, total cases are 8 million. In month of November, total cases are 8.3 million. Wash your hands. After coughing or sneezing, when caring for the sick, before, during and after you prepare for foods, before eating, after toilet use, when hands are visibly dirty, after handling animals or animal waste. Some good effects of coronavirus. It's a big opportunity for the Indian economy. Falling prices of fuel, crime incidents have become rarer, the air is cleaner and the environment is cleaner. Boosting localism, wildlife is rejuvenated. Mother Earth is healing, heal the earth and heal our future. Positive impact on family. Coronavirus pandemic gives the time to spend with family and friends. So yes, be supportive, be careful, be alert, be kind and be ready to fight with COVID-19. Serve acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. Serve COV-2. For the latest health advice, go to www.who.int/COVID-19. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to everyone and a big thanks to my teacher because he gave me a big opportunity to stand there and presenting my views on the topic mother and son relationship. Now I will tell you about mother's feelings and son's feelings towards each other. Here we start. A son is a mother's most precious treasure. There is nothing stronger than the love between mother and son. Mothers are like glue. Even when you can't see them, they are still holding your family together. Son is a most precious treasure thing for mother. She always keeps them inside her heart. Sons may turn into a man and grow out of their toys, but in the hearts of their mothers, they are still little boys. A mother is she who can take place of all others, but whose place no one else can take. A mother is the first love of her son, and a son is a bold word for a mother. A woman has one boy. She will never lose feelings for her son. Blessed is the boy who begins life with a mom in his corner. No matter how old he may be, sometimes a boy just needs her mom. The best place to cry, mother's arm. Some pictures about mothers and sons. Mother is her son's first God. She must teach them the important lesson of all. A mother can carry you in her body for 9 months and take pain, but you can't take a single pain for your mom as compared to her. A mother can live without food only for her son. She can fight for you to world. She don't want a luxurious life, but she is always try to give a son luxurious life and try to fulfill his all wishes, even if they have no money. A mother can be a doctor when her son is sick. A mother can be a teacher when her son is going on a wrong way. She can be a best friend when her son needs. She can be a fighter when her son is in problem. A mother can take care of her sons. It doesn't matter how many childs they have. But nowadays, a single son cannot take care of her mom, dad and leave them for old age home. It's very sad, na? Being a mother. Being a mother is learning about strength you didn't know you had and dealing with fears you didn't know existed. You don't ever balance completely. Motherhood is a constant struggle of a little more time there, a little more time here, and feeling a little bit guilty all the time. Thank you very much, presented by Madhurita. And thank you, Mama. I love you.
I am Prince Nissan here to present presentation of Indian Army life, how to treat on the border and our President of India, Ramnath Kovind, securities and other ministry securities. Now I will start the presentation with PowerPoint on presentation. Indian Army, not our job. Indian Army is passion. Introduction about Indian Army. The Indian Army originated from the armies of the East India Company when it actually became the British Indian Army and the armies of the princely state which were merged into the National Army after independence in our country. It was founded on 1st April 1895 of the East India Company, which even actually became the British Indian Army, and the armies of the princely state which were merged into the National Army after independence. In our country, it was founded on 1st April 1895. CDS of our country, General Bipin Rawat. General Bipin Rawat was born 16 March 1958. He is a 4-star general and the current Chief Defence Staff of India. On 13 December 2019, he was appointed as the first Chief of Defence Staff CDS of India and assumed office on 1st January 2020. The life in Army starts at around 4 o'clock in the morning, where Army officers start with their physical trainings and post that the working hours go to 4 to 5 in the evening depending on the border situation of our country. National Defence Academy is a military training camp academy which is located in Chennai. Army rank start with lieutenant, captain, major, lieutenant colonel, colonel, brigadier, general, major general, lieutenant general, general. JCO and NCO ranks: Nayak, Les Nayak, Havildar, company quarter sergeant, company Havildar, regimental quartermaster, regimental Havildar major, Nayak Subedar, Subedar, Major Subedar. Our Indian lady lead parade on Rajpath, Tanya Selvi. NCC is one of the most beneficial for our country because most of the soldiers who died for our country from the NCC battalion. So NCC is half army. NCC has total 70 directed in our country. In NCC, some types of camp are organized in NCC like CATC, EBSB, YP, etc. Indian Army dresses. First, which is used on border. Second is used for official purpose. Third is used for parade purpose. YEP, Youth Exchange Program. Youth Exchange Program camp is organized on international level. YEP camp is one of the most important camp for NCC cadet because YEP camp is very big opportunity for NCC cadet. Because in this camp, cadet have the chance present our country on international level. And on the day salute with flag Amar Jawan Jyoti on Rajpath, India Gate, Delhi. Indian Army physical requirement. Minimum height 165 cm, chest 77 cm, expansion chest 5 cm, weight more than 50 kg. Candidate should be mentally and physically fit. Defense Minister of India. Rajnath Singh. He is our present Defense Minister of India. Former Defense Minister Baldev Singh. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good evening to all of you. I am Arushi and today I am going to start my presentation. My topic is metro life, the way of living. In our daily life, we see that there are more chances of accidents, higher noise pollution, more traffic, very high volumes of people. If we compare urban versus rural, then we see there is a common thing that water pollution also occurs in urban areas and also occurs in rural areas. Both areas are affected by water pollution. Each area is important to keeping the earth clean. City life. Life as experienced in a city, especially when contrasted with that in a small town, village, etc. The lifestyle is regarded as typical of the inhabitants of a city. Urban versus, if we compare other versus metro life, then we see, if we compare village regarding to metro life, then we see that other have small houses, few hospitals and schools. Most of the people work in fields. But if we see metro city, then we see that there is big buildings. Metro city have big hospitals. Most of the people work in offices. Lack of peace. If we talk about lack of peace, peace cannot be kept by force. It can be only achieved by understanding. Few transportation like metro reduce pollution. In olden days, trains are working on coal. Burning of coal emitted carbon dioxide and soot particles. In metro, because of advanced technology, metro is working on electricity. Metro trains contribute to reduce air pollution. Job opportunities. In rural areas, less employment opportunities, less pay jobs, less fields for jobs. And if we see urban areas, are lots of employment opportunities, well-paid, secure jobs, lots of fields for jobs. In our daily life, we all see that there is no more time for friends and family. Life is very fast. Time goes by so fast. People go in and out of your life. You must never miss the opportunity to tell these people how much they mean to you. Feeling lonely when too many numbers of friends on social media. Positive impact on life. Recognize that every interaction you have is an opportunity to make positive impact on others. Population leads poverty. Poverty does cause population growth and does cause poverty. Economic development means the ability to choose your family size. Thank you so much, Arush.
Good evening everyone, I am Sangeeta. Today I am here to present my presentation in front of you. My topic is Village Girls Parade. You don't have to see the whole staircase, just Village girls have a lot of dreams and she wants to fulfill their dreams. Some girls of the village have their dreams fulfilled, but other girls can't achieve her goals because of lack of resources. If the village girls get a chance, then they can do everything like boys. The village girls have a lot of dreams. They want to go cities for study. The small village girls with big city dreams are very hardworking because in the field. A village girls who move to big city with big dreams just to find out the only way to make it. Small village girls have a big heart with big village values. They are forever loyal to their family and friends. Some photos of village girls. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. If village girls' dreams come true, if a single girl's dreams come true, then others girls will be inspired. She becomes self-dependent. Her parents feel proud. Dreams don't work unless we take action. The surest way to make your dreams come true is to live them. Why the dreams of village girls not fulfilled? Parents do not support. Village atmosphere is not good. Lack of facilities and resources. Conservative ideology. Most of village girls want to become a teacher, tailor, doctor, beautician. The best way to make your dreams come true is to wake up. Never give up on our dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. And first of all, thank you for coming here for us. And I am presenting my presentation in front of you. I hope you will like this. Aggregates villages. Villages, a group of houses in a country which are smaller than a town or city. Town or city is called villages. Village have a small houses. Most of people work in fields. They have a few hospitals and schools. The people of a village have a very simple life. They wake up early in the morning and start cleaning house. A village house, villages woman life is like a sportsman life. In the city, they wake up early and they also make food for their family and they are ready for jobs to do job. They are play together. They in villages have a really deep bonds. Their brothers and sisters. They love their friends. Cities children spend their time on social media. Most of in village, all family members do their work together, help as well. City have so much rush and they all are busy in their work. They have no more time for their family and children. In village have joint family. They have really deep bond in their family. In city, people want to single family because they want to live independently. In villages, people do hard work more than city. City life full of challenges as there is a lot of pollution and mostly traffic jam. There is a peace and large and important town. A lot of people live in city, and the city have big buildings and offices, etc.
Thank you so much presenting